Are you looking for an affordable drone that won't break the bank? In this video, we'll explore the best cheap drones to buy in 2024. From beginner-friendly options to impressive features, we've got you covered. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Stick around to find the perfect drone for your adventures. Number 1. Ryze Tello. The Tello drone, released in 2018, remains a top choice in the budget drone category, thanks to its reliable features and accessible price point. Built with DJI technology and an Intel processor, it delivers smooth 720p video with effective digital stabilization. Designed for safety and fun, the Tello includes removable propeller guards and downward sensors for precise hovering and landing. Its flash launch feature, letting you toss it into the air to start flying, adds an exciting touch. The Easy Shots app eliminates the need for a physical remote, offering on-screen controls and live video feed, though you can pair it with a Bluetooth game controller for added flexibility. A standout feature is its compatibility with the Scratch programming language, making it an excellent educational tool for teaching coding. However, given its age and DJI discontinuing its educational division, future support for the Tello may be limited. Nonetheless, it's still a fantastic entry-level drone. Number 2. Stone HS210. This is our top pick for the best drone for kids, offering a balance of durability, simplicity, and fun. After testing it with my 8-year-old, who quickly took over, I can confidently recommend it as an excellent starter drone. Compact and robust, it comes in several color options and features an inbuilt pressure sensor for stable hovering. While it drifts slightly without intervention, it's manageable and great for beginners. A headless mode simplifies orientation, though standard controls are better for learning essential piloting skills. The single-stick control makes flying intuitive, easier than most video games. Durability is a highlight, with sturdy propeller guards ensuring crashes won't cause damage to the drone or surroundings. Its lightweight design makes it safe for indoor use. What truly sets it apart is its game controller-like layout, mirroring the controls of advanced drones. This allows kids to build foundational piloting skills in a low-risk, screen-free environment, which is not only fun, but prepares them for more serious drones and certifications in the future. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. This is an impressive drone that offers excellent value and can genuinely compete with some of the biggest names in the industry. After testing it, I found it to be a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly option, without compromising too much on quality or performance. The primary trade-off is the lack of a gimbal for stabilizing the camera, which is common among drones in this price range. However, Potensic addresses this with electronic image stabilization, which helps smooth out footage better than many similarly priced drones. While the Atom SE doesn't quite match DJI's offerings or its pricier sibling, the Potensic Atom, without the SE, which includes a gimbal, it still produces shareable, enjoyable content. What really impressed me was the overall build quality of the controller and software. They feel polished, functional, and far from the budget label often associated with affordable drones. This makes flying the Atom SE a fun and intuitive experience. For casual pilots or hobbyists looking to capture decent footage without a significant investment, the Potensic Atom SE is a solid choice. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. This is a standout budget drone, especially considering DJI's reputation for supplying high-end broadcast equipment. While this model remains in the cheap drones category primarily because it can still be found at a slightly lower price than the Mini 4K, I'd strongly recommend opting for the newer Mini 4K if you can afford the slight price difference. That said, the Mini 2 SE offers impressive features for its price. It boasts a 3-axis stabilized gimbal for smooth, cinematic 2.7K video, and comes with a high-quality radio remote controller that connects to your phone via cable for near-zero latency. This model also rectified the Mini SE's biggest shortcoming by improving its radio control range, ensuring reliable connectivity and video feedback. The Mini 2 SE is equipped with GPS for stable hovering and return-to-home functionality, along with helpful quick-shot modes for automated shots. It's under the registration weight threshold, which eliminates paperwork hassles and includes features like RAW capture, exposure bracketing, and panorama modes for photography enthusiasts. If 2.7K video is sufficient, it's a fantastic choice. For 4K, consider the Mini 3. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. This is a fantastic mid-tier drone option, offering a compelling balance between affordability and advanced features. It's essentially a streamlined version of the Mini 3 Pro, with sacrifices made in the right places to trim about $200 off the price. While the newer Mini 4 Pro has since debuted, the Mini 3 still holds its ground as a cost-effective choice. This drone offers a range of up to 10 kilometers, thanks to DJI's O2 tech, though it lacks smart collision sensors and advanced subject tracking found in Pro models. It can still shoot excellent 4K 30 frames per second video, plenty for most users, and supports portrait mode for social media-friendly vertical videos. The omission of 4K 60 FPS and collision sensors might seem like drawbacks, but for many users, they're non-issues. The Mini 3 Pro's sensors weren't all-encompassing, covering only the front and back, so their absence here may not be a deal-breaker, especially if you don't fly recklessly. For content creators seeking high-quality video in a lightweight drone without splurging on pro features, the Mini 3 remains a solid bargain by DJI's standards. So, which is the best? The DJI Mini 2 SE stands out as the top choice, offering excellent performance, a solid camera, and user-friendly features, all at a budget-friendly price. Happy flying!